You searched for how to buy shares of Koenig Bauer AG. This short guide uses the ticker SKB.de. Koenig Bauer AG is a German printing press manufacturer listed on Xetra under SKB.de, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a regulated broker, and I use eToro here as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the broker search bar and enter the ticker skb.de to find Koenig Bauer AG. Select the listing that shows Xetra so you locate the correct share. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm it is Koenig Bauer AG. Make sure the market is listed as Xetra and the ticker reads skb.de before proceeding. Click Invest and enter the amount you want to buy, then review order details and choose Market or Limit before confirming. If the market is closed, your order will be queued until it reopens, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirmation. After execution, your new position will appear in your portfolio and you can monitor it there. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same example.